Hello? Hi. I was just calling because I live down the street from you and your daughter come to my house today and she kicked my dog.
What?
This is Kirpal. Kirpal. Your daughter come to my house today and she come on my property and then she kicked my dog.
Hey.
And now my dog needs operation.
Hey! Hello?
Why did she do it? You don't act stupid.
Hey, stop, que tu m'appelles, man?
You don't ask dumb question.
Hey, tu viens de te péter à gueule,
No, you just shut up. You try to confuse. I'm going to call the
Hey,
police.
man, tu t'es trompé de numéro,
And then
tabarnak,
you're
j'en
going to
ai
go
un
to
autre,
jail.
police. Hey, man,
Shut
t'es où,
up.
là, m'en venir te péter à
You shut
gueule?
up, you.
Ah ouais?
Shut up, you sting.
Shut up, ah ouais, shut up, ben va
You
chier,
know
câlisse.
damn right. You bastard.
Ton esti chien, je m'en calisse, man, je vais le mettre dans les fesses, esti.
You've just been pranked by prankdial.com.